Alright, so my '01 Nissan Sentra got a little bit of a sticky gas pedal situation, which is kind of annoying. It's just occasional at this point, but I don't want it to get any worse. Can kind of be a safety issue trying to get out in traffic, having to pump the gas pedal. So I'm going to go ahead and clean the throttle body butterfly. Basically, got some throttle body cleaner. Apparently you don't want to use the regular carb cleaner. It has to say throttle body, so it's not as harsh. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this air intake taken apart so that we can go ahead and get into the throttle body, which is located around here, to go ahead and get that cleaned out, spray some spray in there, clean it out, and hopefully that will resolve our issue. So I'm going to spray some cleaner here on the cloth, and if you get a shot of this, the cable here actually is your throttle. So if you pull on that, you will see the butterfly opening and closing, and you can kind of see how dirty that is. So again, we're going to do some cleaning, and we'll pick you back up once that's cleaned, and kind of show you how much mess we got out of the inside. All right, so we got the butterfly throttle body area cleaned, and one thing I kind of noticed, as you spray the liquid cleaner inside, it's going to run down to the bottom. So if you want to kind of keep your rag down here to kind of catch the flow of the liquid, that'll keep it from running out into the engine area. But looking pretty good right now. I think we're going to go ahead and consider this done, put everything back together, and we'll just get this stuff matched up and get this moved back on, get this hose reconnected. Of course, put the air cleaner here back to where it goes, clamp down and tighten things up. We'll crank her up and see. Again, it might take a few weeks to see if it's actually fixed. It's not hard to get back to this place, so if we need to re-clean, it's not a big deal, but I'm thinking it's going to be good to go. All right, we'll pick you back up. So get everything put back together, the hose clamp. One thing to keep in mind is when you're trying to slide this back together, go ahead and connect this left clamp first that goes to your head area, because basically just the way everything's contoured, this will go on, and then you can kind of move the whole assembly up and re-secure it here. Don't forget your electrical connection here. Good time to check your air filter. Ours is all good. And I didn't mention this earlier, but we always put the battery cable on or off, just as a matter of maintenance and practice. Actually going to have to get a new topper for my battery cable. The negative's loose and it's screwed all the way down, so that'll be a today thing as well. But a lot of other videos on the '01 Sentra and other videos. If you would like and subscribe, that'd be super, and I hope this helps you guys out.